Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The Best Precision Tool Kit is probably one of the most indispensable tools for anyone who loves to tinker with small electronics, repair gadgets, or work on intricate projects. Whether you're a seasoned professional or a DIY enthusiast, having the right tools can make all the difference. In this video, we'll dive deep into a top-notch precision tool kit, exploring its features, and showing you why it's a must-have for your toolkit. Number 5. XOOL 62-in-1 Precision Screwdriver Kit. Introducing the XOOL 62-in-1 Precision Screwdriver Kit. This comprehensive kit has everything you need for electronics repair. It's designed to make your repair tasks easier and more efficient. This kit includes 58 different screwdriver bits, covering Phillips, flathead, Torx, and more. It also comes with a handle, extension rods, and an adapter. This ensures that it can handle a wide variety of repairs. The XOOL kit is perfect for repairing phones, laptops, and game consoles. Whether you're a professional or a hobbyist, it's easy to use. It's the ideal tool for all your electronic repair needs. The bits are made of durable CRV steel, ensuring they can withstand heavy use. The flexible extension rod is made of high-quality materials. This design ensures that it is both flexible and long-lasting. The ergonomic handle is comfortable to hold, even during extended use. The flexible shaft makes it easy to reach difficult areas. The strong magnetic tips make it easy to fix bits and pull out screws. The XOOL 62-in-1 kit is compact and lightweight, making it easy to carry. It's the perfect companion for on-the-go repairs. It's a complete repair solution in a portable package. What we like. This kit boasts an impressive 62 bits, making it versatile for various electronics repairs. The CRV steel construction ensures durability, so it can withstand frequent use. If you have a wide range of devices to fix, or you are looking for a comprehensive set, this is the perfect choice for you. What people say. This comprehensive kit has become an excellent companion in my range bag, and I'd like to elaborate on its invaluable role in ensuring the precision and performance of my firearms and accessories. Without fail, this kit finds a permanent place in my range bag because it's equipped with everything necessary to make precise adjustments to my red dots and other firearm accessories. From its comprehensive array of tools to its exceptional build quality, this kit has everything you need to tackle virtually any repair job with confidence. The quality of the tools is top-notch. The screwdriver handles feel sturdy and comfortable in hand, providing excellent grip and control. Each bit is made from high-quality steel, ensuring durability and longevity even with frequent use. Number 4. SHARDEN 122-in-1 Electronics Repair Tool Kit. This comprehensive kit from SHARDEN includes 101 magnetic screwdriver bits and 21 essential tools. It's designed for a wide range of electronics repair, making it perfect for various devices. The screwdriver bits are crafted from high-quality CRV steel, ensuring high hardness and durability. This set is built to last, providing excellent precision and toughness for all your repair needs. The magnetic tips make it easy to handle screws, whether you're removing or inserting them. This feature helps prevent lost screws and simplifies the repair process. The ergonomic handle provides a comfortable, non-slip grip, even during extended use. It also includes extension shafts to reach those difficult spots. SHARDEN stands behind the quality of this product. If you have any issues, they are ready to help. This kit is also a great gift for anyone who enjoys fixing electronics. What we like. With an incredible 122 pieces, this kit is designed for professionals and serious DIYers. The strong magnetic tips make it easy to handle tiny screws, preventing loss and simplifying the repair process. If you are looking for a complete and user-friendly kit, this one is a great choice. What people say. The kit includes a wide variety of bits, making it suitable for various repair tasks. The magnetic driver is a great feature, holding screws securely. The case is well designed, keeping everything organized and easy to find. Number 3. UnaMela 61-in-1 Precision Screwdriver Set. Introducing the UnaMela 61-in-1 Screwdriver Set, the most complete kit available. It includes all the bits you'll need for any repair job, making it the perfect tool for any tech enthusiast. This kit features 56 different bits, including Phillips, flathead, Torx, and more. It's designed to handle a wide range of devices, from computers and laptops to phones and game consoles. The UnaMela screwdriver set is perfect for various tasks. You can easily swap computer parts, replace phone screens, and build PCs with precision using this tool. The handle has a multi-curve shape and granular rubber for a non-slip grip. The 360 degrees rotating tail cover allows for stable one-handed operation, improving efficiency. The bits are made from CRV steel and undergo a special quenching process for durability. The telescopic extension rod is sturdy, even in tight spaces. This screwdriver set is suitable for beginners and experts alike. It's the ideal Christmas gift for anyone who enjoys DIY repairs and working with electronics. What we like. This kit offers a complete set of bits in a compact design. The ergonomic handle with a non-slip grip ensures comfortable and efficient use. If you like a well-rounded, easy-to-use kit for various repairs, this one is a great option. What people say. Very neat and useful tools. The graph is sturdy and the bag keeps the bits organized neatly. This 52-piece UnaMela mini precision screwdriver set includes 40 bits, mixture of Torx, Torx Security, Phillips, flat, pentalobe, and hexagon, mini screwdriver handle. Several different pry tools, a tweezer, flex shaft, magnetic bit holder, a magnetizer-demagnetizer tool, and a SIM card ejection tool all neatly stored in a soft-sided storage case. Handy roll-up case to fit in your tool case or on a service bench. In addition, the roll-up case keeps all the tools in one place, no more searching for that tool when needed. Number 2. SHOWPIN 122 in 1 Precision Screwdriver Kit. This comprehensive kit has everything you need for electronic repairs. It includes a wide variety of bits and auxiliary tools, making it perfect for various devices. With 98 screwdriver bits, plus extra tools, this set handles almost any repair task. You can easily fix smartphones, laptops, game consoles, and more. The ergonomic handle and flexible shaft make it easy to work in tight spaces. The extension rod provides extra reach and control for your projects. The screwdriver bits are made from durable CRV steel. This ensures they can withstand long-term use and handle tough repairs. The included storage case keeps everything organized and easy to find. The magnetizer and magnetic pad help prevent lost screws and make your work easier. Whether you're a seasoned techie or a beginner, this kit is a must-have. It's a great gift for anyone who loves to tinker with electronics. What we like. This kit is packed with 122 pieces, offering a wide range of tools for various repair tasks. The high-hardness CRV steel bits ensure durability and long-lasting performance. If you are looking for a comprehensive and well-organized kit, this one is an excellent choice. What people say. Whether you're repairing laptops, building PCs, or working on small electronics projects, this set has everything you need. The case itself is tiny and very portable and perfect to put in a bag to carry. The actual tools are made with metal and high-end material, all the magnetization is strong and this product is very neat. Number 1. HOTO 24 in 1 Mini Screwdriver Set. Looking for a perfect gift? This precision screwdriver set is a thoughtful choice for various occasions. It's a complete toolkit that anyone would appreciate. This 24-in-1 screwdriver is designed for quick assembly and disassembly of small screws. It's ideal for electronics, DIY projects, and various gadgets. The mini screwdriver set features a sleek metal exterior made from high-grade aluminum alloy. The bits are made of tough S2 alloy steel for long-lasting use. All 12 double-ended bits are cleverly concealed within the handle. The magnetic slot makes it easy to swap bits and prevents loss. The small screwdriver set features a polyhedral surface for a comfortable grip. The cover is equipped with whisper-quiet bearings for smooth turns. This EDC screwdriver includes 24 bits to tackle any job. You'll find a variety of Phillips, flat blade, hex, Torx, and other specialized bits. What we like. This mini screwdriver set is a complete toolkit in a compact design. The innovative magnetic storage keeps bits secure and easily accessible. If you are looking for a portable and stylish solution for everyday tasks, you should consider this one. What people say. The HOTO precision screwdriver has been an absolute game changer for my 3D printer repair endeavors. The bits attach securely to the screwdriver, ensuring they stay in place during use. The HOTO precision screwdriver offers a remarkably smooth rotation, even after months of use. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.